quick trade recap of the fucking day. Today is Tuesday, the 21st of April 2020 fucking 6. We took 3 trades. Too much. Way too much, bro. I took one L, one break even. I took one break even first, then an L that was a subway that was kinda bad, and then one good A setup. So let's just go to the best, okay? So overall, we just had all-time highs. We didn't printed a fucking bearish candle within the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. And at some point we need to rebalance this leg. Okay? Not important because now we are at all-time highs. We have in 4-hour SMT, and let me just scoop. And we are looking at some shit like this. We have this unfilled 1 hour. Oh, wait, I can turn every fucking drawing I had. So we had EQ of this entire trading range sitting right here. Inside of EQ of this range, we have this 1 hour condition. This 1 hour parallel gap that sort of is my point where you see prices higher, okay? I see prices higher from this level. We also have some good kind of low resistance draws on liquidity right here. And so my bias was overall just if we down, I will take longs, or if market open mitigates this 5-minute first, I'm gonna take shorts to catch the move lower. Yeah, so we had this 1 minute, pretty much very good LRL, this 5-minute condition, and 9:30 opens right here, drags instantly down. We have now this perfectly very good 9:30 wick plus this unfilled 30-minute gap right here. We didn't tag, which is beautiful because now we can look for easy longs off of this key level. We mitigate the hourly, and now it was open to take any fucking short long that represented, okay? We didn't got any shit. We didn't got any fucking shit, okay? So we're just accumulating. Now we are inside of a 5-minute bullish failure, but the higher time frame bias is so obvious. Like we have no 4-hour gap below or something. We have no 1-hour gap below. It's just so freaking obvious that we are gonna pump. Okay, it is just that obvious. On the 15-minute time frame, we create this massive rejection block. A rejection block, we swept this 50-minute intermediate high plus are inside of this hourly fair value gap, and we create off of this right at this point this rejection block. Right, I don't know what the fuck this shit is. I don't know, I'm just hiding it. We form this rejection block, okay? Off of this rejection block, we tag EQ of this range and get a 30-second IFVG right here. I set an order right here once we got the 30-second IFVG, and on the second half of the 1-minute candle, we swept this 5-minute intermediate high. I set my break even right there. And now my take profit was once EOS sweeps this 9:30 wick. Okay, so I could have hit a 1-1 on this trade. Okay, so my take profit was just looking at EOS. If EOS sweeps this 9:30 wick, we start pushing up, and EOS creates fucking equal highs on the fucking 9:30 wick. Okay, creates triple equal highs. Fuck my ass. Okay, I'm at break even. I'm getting stopped to break even. We just mitigate this fair value gap and we get instant displacement up. I was so fucking emotional at this point. I said, yo, no fucking way that we're fucking doing this. Yeah. Overall, then we just led to just more low resistance here, okay? And yeah, overall I could have hit a 1-1 on this, but my drawn EOS was, in my opinion, very valid. just the point that we create equalizers. Fucking, I don't know. I don't fucking know what I have to say to this shit. Es ist auch dazu wichtig zu sagen, Digga. Das ist mein erster richtiger Trade, wo ich Rejection Blocks verwende. Wir sind jetzt ja schon sehr, sehr nice. Ich habe nicht auf den Rescreen von dem Leute geworden, sondern einfach wirklich den Rejection Block genutzt. Großes Dank an der Stelle raus an P-Blake. I love you. At this point, I was willing to look for 5-minute continuations higher. Yeah, for 5-minute continuations higher. We also had news at 10 a.m., which didn't do shit. Plus, we disrespected 30-minute gap on Q at 10 a.m. right here. So my bias at this point was pretty clear bullish up to this high, or like bullish until proven wrong. And at this point, we had this intermediate high, and we tag our higher time frame key level with ES being in this spot. Okay, just I don't know if ES is reacting to a 50-minute, I guess no, but it is reacting to a 5-minute, yeah. And this is a bit of an emotional trade because I was so pissed off that I got break even, and I just entered right off of this CISD. Okay, so we got the CISD right here, entered right off of this, but this shit was just a stop rate. Okay, I got brutally stop rated, but then got my second setup, which is this right here, where we get a stop rate. We have relative equal lows at an internal low, which is so juicy. We have unfilled 5-minute belows, like this internal low is an unfilled 5-minute gap. Now, like this is an unfilled 5-minute gap. So I was pretty confident in seeing prices lower at this point. We also have a good PO3. Oh my god, we have beautiful fucking PO3 structure. Because this PO3 sort of opens, don't get a wick, we manipulate a high and distribute lower. Like this is such a juicy PO3. I didn't even saw this in real time. I entered right off of the set my break even at this internal low and got my 1-1 on this trade. So overall, just like capital.com, my demo is showing that I won just because I know. No, it's showing that I lost. Only because it's showing this trade. I don't know why the fuck it's showing the 20th of April. Like overall, it's just plus 500 on this account because this only lost 700 because my stop was, I don't know, was 700 right here, and I don't know why. Ich habe jetzt normal 1% gerisk, aber der Stop war halt, mit dem 1% habe ich hier geentert und der Stop war halt hier oben, obwohl ich dieses Drawing angeklickt habe. Das war ein bisschen verbuggt, deswegen hat das da weniger geriskt. Aber ich trage das trotzdem so ins Journal ein, weil ich gehe ja nicht von der Capital.com Capital.com PNL aus, sondern von meinem Journal PNL. 21. We were bullish, we were kinda right because we sort of read this good. I read this as our a level to rebalance price. I saw this as our level to see prices higher. Ich muss das mal jetzt wirklich zu DOL, Drawn Liquidity, umformen. Das fuckt ja ab, Digga. Drawn Liquidity. Ah, ne, warte. Das ist eigentlich ein neuen Dings. Ich sag einfach mal Varied, weil Condition Base. Condition Base. Condition based. Did I pull my time frame narrative? Absolutely look like fucking yes. Trade 1, break even. Trade 2, loss. Trade 3, win. Too many trades. Satisfied how I play today? No. Why? Just because of this. Just because of the second trade, I can put in no. I have a rule that every time I put no in this Tabelle, was heißt Tabelle auf Englisch? Weiß ich das nicht, Digga. Muss mal gucken, ich kann es nicht immer jetzt wissen. Übersetze. Tabelle. Table? Real? They got table. Every time I put no in this table, I have to run to my gym. Okay, I don't take the bike or I don't ask my father. I just run to the gym. Just because I can't let. Am I satisfied top of the day? If I fucking put in no, I'm a fucking bitch. Okay. So fuck me, bro. I'm just gonna run to the gym. It's not that much, like 4 kilometers or some shit, so it ain't that deep. Yeah, okay, so I need to do like I think this and this cause my feed is fucked up. Aber mittlerweile geht's wieder. I would say this is this is hard to rate because it is based off a rejection block and we aren't set up to 5 minute, but the idea that this 5 minute, like we have to put what is against the 5 minute. We have an overall all-time high bias. We have liquidity sweep, 15 minute internal low sweep, 1 hour value gap conditions that phrase prices higher against one singular 5 minute bearish value gap plus a 930 week above an uncle 30 minute above. So this is a very good trade, okay? Trade 1 is for me an A+ setup. We get that rejection block, that we feel CE of this rejection block, and fuck me, I'm gonna put an A+ setup. Second trade was emotion. Yo. Stop rate. Stop rate. Have to put in. Oh my god, why the fuck is it not saving? Why the fuck is it not saving? Stop rate. Nice. Stop rate. Oh my god, but it's invalid stop rate. Like I take. Okay. You know, 0%. And again, 0. Yeah, let's just look on the monthly, you know. The month is looking like this. I'm taking too many fucking trades. The next days I have to fucking take less trades, okay? This was fucking unnecessary. This was fucking. I wouldn't blame the market for it, but the way ES creates equal highs, like this is such a rare type of thing that so it's like a I don't know, like 99 or like 95 out of 100 times it does not this shit, and 5 out of 100 times it does this shit. Okay, so it's unlucky. It's unlucky. But yeah, let's just fuck with it. It's okay. And let's just move on to Thursday tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna just a bit now, just get some water, just hydrate my ass, and then just gonna stick to the back testing sessions.